If you've ever wished you could streamline your workflow and automate repetitive tasks, Zapier is the perfect solution. So, let's break it down and explore how it works. Zapier is like the bridge that connects your favorite apps, making them work together seamlessly. By setting up Zaps, automated workflows, you can trigger actions across different apps without lifting a finger. For example, when a new email hits your Gmail inbox, that's the trigger. Zapier can automatically log the email details into a Google Sheet, that's the action. Simple, right? Zapier operates using three core components. These are the events that start the automation process. Think of them as the spark. It could be something as simple as receiving a new order or getting a form submission. Once the trigger occurs, actions kick in. These tasks are performed automatically across apps, like creating, updating, or deleting data. A Zap is the entire workflow, combining your trigger and actions to create seamless automation. Getting started with Zapier is super easy. Here's how to do it. First, pick the apps you want to connect, like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets. Decide what event will start the Zap. For instance, a new Gmail email arriving might be your trigger. Next, you determine what should happen once the trigger occurs, like adding the email details into a spreadsheet. If you want more control, you can set conditions for the actions or even create branching paths for complex workflows. Once you're comfortable with basic Zaps, you can explore some of the more advanced features Zapier has to offer. These allow you to chain multiple actions across various apps for more sophisticated workflows. You can set conditions that ensure actions only happen when certain criteria are met. For apps that don't have direct support in Zapier, you can use webhooks to send or receive data. This feature allows you to tweak data formats, ensuring smooth compatibility between apps. Zapier is a game changer for small businesses and individuals looking to automate tasks. Here are just a few ways you can use it. Automatically adding leads to your CRM when someone fills out a form. Syncing customer info between your e-commerce platform and email marketing tool. Sending automatic Slack notifications every time a new task is created in Trello. Zapier is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to boost productivity and minimize manual work. By automating workflows with Zaps, you'll save time and ensure your data is always in sync across your apps. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone looking to make life a little easier, Zapier has you covered. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to use tools like Zapier to automate and simplify your life.